Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. Today, we are finally putting on some exhaust. Now, before some of you freak out, I do have stinger dimensions. They have to be 16 inches long, and as long as the muffler is bigger than the stinger, it is not a restriction, therefore I do not have to take into account for the muffler. So, get that out of your mind. I also have to make some mounts, because right now these pipes just go wherever they feel like it, and that's not good. For mufflers, I'm going to use the mufflers off of FMF Gnarly set that originally came on a Banshee. I got to cut them a little bit, but they almost fit. So, get to cutting. First things first. This, not ideal for direction. So I plan on cutting off tip of this, weld that onto there to the angle I want. And this, which is the factory, or not factory, but FMF slip-on, will just slip right on it. Alright, that's gonna about call it for today. Got a little ways. I took the end mount off the original pipe that flares out, and I made myself some slip-on mufflers. So, you ever want to be quiet, you just slip the muffler right on, and you bolt it up, ready to go. I think that's pretty genius. I love the way that these sound with mod pipes. So, stay tuned for next episode.